Here's everything you need to know about slope. So the formula for slope, we call it m. M is the change in y. Change in y, or we call that the rise, divided by the change in x, which we call the run. Now there's different types of slopes. If your slope looks like this, then the slope m is positive. If it looks like that, it's negative. If it looks like this, it's 0. And if it looks like this, it's undefined. All right, so let's look at the two different forms of a line that involve the slope. So there's slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. So there's our slope, and b here is the y-intercept. That's where the line crosses the y-axis. The other form is the point-slope form, which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. There's our slope again. And then x1 and x2, those are the coordinates for a point. I'm sorry, x1 and y1, those are the coordinates for a point. Okay, so those are our two line forms that involve the slope. And then how about steepness? So if we want to see how steep a line is, we look at the absolute value of the slope. That means we don't care if it's positive or negative, we just look at the absolute value. And if that is bigger, that means the line is steeper. Okay. What else? Let's look at some geometry. So this is the symbol for a parallel slope. So if a line is parallel to another line, then m parallel equals m. They have the same slope. Okay, but if two lines are perpendicular, we use this symbol for perpendicular. M perpendicular equals -1 over m. So it's the negative reciprocal. Okay, so now in the real world, what are slopes for? So anytime you hear per, there's a good chance that slope could be involved. So like miles per hour, dollars per day. So the line is the pattern, and the slope is how it changes. All right, hope that helps. Thanks for watching.